Chicks in the tub gone wild! Chicks in the tub gone wild!
Chicks in the tub gone wild! Chicks in the tub gone wild! No.
Chicks in the tub gone wild!
Okay. Wait.
Hi, I'm here with Isabelle Strother, who lives in the little red house in the woods, to see the newest members of our family. Hi, Isabelle.
Hi.
And so, what do you have here?
These are the chicks that we just got from Coastal the other day.
Excellent. And what breeds do you have?
We have Plymouth Barred Rocks, Rhode Island Red, a couple of Banties, and Americanas.
Can you point them out to me? Did it bite you?
Yeah!
Rambunctious little things.
This one is a Plymouth Barred Rock.
A Plymouth Barred Rock?
Ow! It bit me again!
It's very
I'm
active.
gonna sit you down.
Alright, well let's see what else we got here. What else you got?
That is a, what are they called?
Ooh, it's camera shy. Is it a Banty?
Yeah, Banty. Banty.
Okay.
Yeah, fuzzy little feet.
Cute.
And come here. Oh, I thought you were over there. Oh, come here. Oh, come on. I just want to pick you up. Gotcha.
What do you got there?
I'm pretty sure this is one of the Rhode Island Reds.
It looks like a red.
Uh-huh.
Looks like a Rhode Island red. It's got a dark top though.
Whoop. Whoop, no. Uh-huh.
Don't lose it.
Okay, little chickie. Whoop.
And what else? Is there one more type we've got?
Americana. Here, come here. You're the prettiest one. And this is an Americana.
Okay.
And two of the Americanas are the oldest of all the chicks because they're already starting to get little wings.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, cute. Crazy.
Cute. So what can you tell me about Americanas?
Well, they're pretty friendly and they lay bluish green medium-sized eggs and yeah.
And what about Rhode Island Reds? What do you know about them?
They are sort of aggressive and they lay medium brown eggs. It's picking at a freckle.
And what about Banties?
Banties are very good brooders.
Yeah.
And they lay small light brown eggs.
What does brooding mean?
Hatching eggs.
Good. What about the Plymouth Barred Rocks? What do you know about them?
They are pretty friendly and they lay medium brown eggs.
What do you think they dream about when they sleep?
I think they dream about running around in the field and eating bugs and hanging out with their mom.
What chores do we have as chicken keepers?
We have to clean the coop, or right now they're boxes, and we need to make sure they have clean food and water. And if they're sick, we have to take care of them, and we have to collect their eggs.
Speaking of cleaning the chicken coop, what is with the chicken nipple?
Well, since the food will be on the ground, and you know they like to walk in their food and water. I mean, like to walk in the water. It makes sure that the like chicken poo or food gets in the water. Some of them already learned how to use it.
Yeah, I saw that. That's awesome. So, I noticed that there's a red light. Tell me about this red light.
Well, it's not infrared, because infrared hurts their little eyes. And it's red because so they can fall asleep to it. And it's warm.
And we got to keep them warm.
They're just little babies.
So how much food can a baby chick eat in 1 week?
Well, on average, a baby chick will eat 4 pounds every month, so that's 1 pound every week.
Nice, nice. What do you like about them so far?
Well, they're fuzzy, and they're pretty, and I'm excited for when the coop is done, because I bet they'll like it.
How old do you think they are?
Well, this one is probably just a little under a week, and the rest are definitely under a week.
Besides the feed that we buy them, what other foods will they eat when they're out in the chicken yard?
Grubs, bugs, crushed eggshells, rotten vegetables, and scraps.
So when they're out there, do they have any natural predators around here that we gotta watch out for?
There's cougars, hawks, owls, cats, dogs. Yeah.
And how many do we have?
We have 16 altogether.
16 altogether. How many of which one?
We have 3 Americanas, 2, Banties, 5 Rhode Island Reds, and 6, Plymouth Rocks.
Which of the cats do you think we gotta watch out for most, and why? Which of our cats?
Aussie, because she is young and very, very curious, and a bit of a troublemaker.
Nice. Now, what do we get out of having chickens?
Get eggs and meat.
Speaking of eggs and meats, let me ask you one important question. This is probably the most important question. Out of all 16 of these, how many do we want to be boys?
1.
1, and why is that?
Because if we have more than one, they'll fight with each other, fight over the hens, they'll hurt the hens, and yeah. And if we had too many, we'd probably have to give them away and eat them.
Like Jack is, right?
Yeah.
Just give them away and eat them. Well, this is Justin Baker from the Little Red Homestead in the Woods, and I'm here again with Isabelle Strother. Say bye-bye.